Hi there, my name is Juji Evans and I am the Manager and Marketing Director for Soul Connections Community Center. Thank you so much for watching this video about how to use our AV equipment. Now, even if you've used AV equipment before, I highly recommend watching this so you know what is available for you to use. And we also have an opening and closing kind of checklist to tell you what order to do all of these things in. We really appreciate you making sure that our equipment stays nice and new and available for others to use. The following equipment is available for use. We have 2 large speakers, 3 microphones on stands, we have a mixing board, and we have 4 wireless mics available for you to use. So before you even begin with turning on the main speakers, you're going to want to go to the mixer and make sure all of these volume knobs are on the lowest setting, and the main should be at the lowest setting as well, so that you don't create feedback and blow out the speakers. So then you're going to want to turn your big speakers on, and you're going to want to make sure these are at 0 before you turn the switch on. So you'll know the speaker is on if the little light on the front of it is on. So now you can actually turn on your mixer, which is on the back of it right here. And you can see it's on when this light comes on. Now is when you can start to adjust the volume. You can move the volume up depending on how loud you need it, never exceeding the 0 mark right there. And once you've adjusted the main volume, depending on which mic you're using, you can adjust channel 1, 2, or 3. And obviously test the mics as you desire the volume to be. So now we're going to go over how to connect one of the 4 or all 4 of the wireless mics. As you can see, they are A, B, C, and D. So this is the box that controls the wireless mics, and what you want to do is hold the button down in order for it to turn on. Once the box is on, you're going to want to make sure all of the volume knobs are at the lowest point. Then you will want to turn on the volume for channels 7, 8, 9, 10. That controls the wireless mics, like so. So now you want to pick up your wireless mic. I have wireless mic A here, and you want to turn it on by switching it on at the top. There you go. And now you can adjust the volume on mic A to the volume that you like. Okay, so the way the mic fits over your head is that the strap goes to the back, and then you can adjust your microphone like so. And this has a little clip, so it can clip on to the back of your pants, or you can put it in your pocket. So if you don't need the microphone to be right in front of your face, we also have these clip-on mics. So all you have to do is unclip this guy at the top and clip in this. And then this can be clipped on to your clothing. This is more for if you are doing a presentation, and this is more for music. So in order to set up your mic stand, first you're going to plug in the microphone like so. In order to adjust the height for your microphone, you're going to want to loosen this right here and pull it as high as you need, and then tighten this back up so that it stays. In order to adjust the angle, you can loosen it here and pull it as high or as low as you need, and then tighten it back up. If you want to adjust the swivel arm, you can loosen this here, and this can go higher or lower as needed, and then tighten it back up. So at the end of the evening, we're going to ask that you turn everything off, starting with the large speakers, Again, that switch is on the back over here, and then everything on the other side. So we're going to turn off this other large speaker by flipping the switch in the back. Again, when the light is off, that's when you know that the speaker is off. And then we're going to move on to the mixer. The switch is on the back, as you can remember. And we're going to turn off the wireless mic box if you were using that as well. And all of the microphones, we ask that you put them back behind the gongs as well, and put all of the wireless mics back on the ledge. If you are wanting to connect your phone to the large speakers using Bluetooth, you're going to come here, push the pair button. You'll see the blue light flashing, and then you'll be looking for Harbinger to pop up on your phone. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Again, if you have any more questions about how to use this equipment, please email me at soulconnectionscommunitycenter@gmail.com, and I can walk you through anything that is still unclear. Thank you again, and we hope you have a wonderful event.